This is a ruler that is, a lot of people might refer to as a square up ruler, but it's even better. Right sides together. You have a diagonal line from point to point and you sew 1/4 inch on both sides of the diagonal line. And just cut straight down the middle. So to make your quarter square triangle, all you have to do is you're placing right sides together. You make sure the blue and the blue are on opposite sides. All right, and then you would feel that these edges have been butted up against each other. Trim down the center here. I started out with a 4-inch square. Take my common diagonal, just do a little trim right there and right there, okay?
And look how fast
Easy.
we got that done.